Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in regular expressions. Find more than the first match. So far, you have only been able to extract or search a pattern once. Here, repeat is repeated three times. Let our regex, our regular expression, repeat. We have to search for repeat. Then we will use first test str variable match method on that and pass our regex as the argument to the method. It will return repeat. To search or extract a pattern more than once, you can use the G flag. So we can use G flag at the end to make it return multiple values or search or extract a pattern more than once. Using the regex, task. Using the regex, star regex, find and extract both twinkle words from a string twinkle star. So here is a variable twinkle star which contain a string, and we have a star regex containing the regular expression. So we have to extract twinkle word, twinkle string, and we have to use it in repeated form, means it will search again, it will extract all that match the twinkle string, and to do that we will use dot match, and inside that star reg x. So let's run the test. Okay, your regex star regex should use the case insensitive flag I. Okay, I had missed that because one is small, one is capital. So I and G, we are using both here for checking the repeated use and extracting that information. Let's see, run the test, and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.